Oh, well, I can't even remember the last time that I went to the dentist in the UK. Apparently my mum says that they've knocked me off register now that I haven't been so long. Anyway, we've arrived here. It's the dental doctor, the Boher dental doctor. I've been here one time before. I've come for a teeth clean. Let's see how easy it is for me to tell them. 你好，我上次来过了，要做那个细山。
哦，好，之前来过的是吧？
啊，对的。
那直接上2楼啊。
好，谢谢。I think I've just heard a sound, haven't I? There's a foreigner coming. See how this goes down. Oh, look at everyone on the wall. Perfect. Looks like a few of them have left. There we go. 啊？
会说中文吗？
啊，会说一点点啊，可以的。我上次来过了，上次我的那个电话号码好像是159。
陆克。
啊，对的，是我。洗牙。对。
今天是怎么了？
就是我想重新再洗一下。
再洗一下。
嗯。
你坐了，等一下啊。
哦，好好。Last time I came, I actually got a free blood test where they check for HIV because I don't know whether they're allowed to do a treatment unless you know you're safe. So I don't know whether we'll get one of them too today. They also did a full X-ray of my mouth. Then I just had to sign my life away just to say if they smashed up all my teeth, it wasn't their fault.
你好，你好，你好，这边需要签个字啊。
好。
还是和之前做的一样。
啊，对的。哦，现在要付钱，对吧？
对的。
哦。 Perfect. 18 quid.
好，这边请坐一下，这边给你安排啊。
好。We've got a little table where you can practice writing Chinese. Some water in pot. No, there's no water in pot. Definitely don't work without water. I'll still try it anyway. Right, after a brief 2-minute wait, it was time to go through. Yeah.
整个数举个手啊。有一个就是装水的啊。
Yeah, it looks like they're clean. Good.
来，给你看一下啊。可以了啊。
Yeah, perfect job. One day. Oh, take my bib off. Thank you. 谢谢，再见。下次见。Bye bye. What are these? Individual people's names. Boxes. Some. Thought there were boxes of masks at first. Well, there were no blood tests today. I don't know why that was. Probably because I'm already a member. You know, you do it once and then you haven't got HIV for life. I were actually in and out in about half an hour and I didn't make an appointment, so that was just a great service, wasn't it? 20 quid and nice and clean. Right, see you next time. Bye!
2月号。